guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can automatically cut audio on CapCut PC. You can automatically do it, or you can do it manually. I'm just going to get this audio. For instance, to manually add in beats, you're just going to simply select this beat right here and keep on adding it. If you want to delete it, just select the beat and select remove beat. If you want to clear everything though, select this one right here. So there's a shortcut on your keyboard as well, which is Control J, which you can add in beats a little bit faster. And you can press Control J over the beats again to delete them. And again, I'm going to clear it out. And there's also the auto beats one, which I find easier. So you can either select beat 1 and it will generate less beats than beat 2. If I selected that option, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!